Well, great morning, everyone.
Good morning to you.
I am very thankful to all of you for giving this wonderful opportunity to say something about this topic. And today's topic, good habit for success. In my point of view, this is a very interesting topic and to discuss everyone's. And I feel that this is built for our success, and this topic you learn, then build your future. First, I would like to explain the what is good habit. The biggest thing is the discipline. Discipline is the biggest good habit for our success, because without discipline you can't get the success. You know very well that you want to speak English, then you will have to come every day in class. Can you speak English without coming class? No, it is not possible. Then discipline is the more important for success. And next is the also punctuality and on time. If you want to get success, then you will know that time is very important. You know also, everyone said time is a money. Don't waste time. You get anywhere from work, then you will get the money, but you can't get the time. Cross the time you can't, because nowadays, can you get your childhood time? No. Yes, this is also truth. And also that honesty is the biggest part of the success in my point of view, because if your mind every time think truth and honesty way, then you don't make a more success, but you don't go into the wrong way. This is biggest truth. And in my point of view, that consistency is the also big part of our success, because consistency it means not a part of you see the any motivational video, and you try to start any field of your study, then 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, approximate 1 week, then you stop your study. Then consistency, what will from then in your life, then the biggest part of, suppose that you suffering any types of your problems like poverty and any kinds of like time, and then you are suffering in the that kind of disease, you can say, then your success will come. And in my point of view, the biggest line from me that if you bet your success, then your life is very difficult. Work on your on your goals with patience, then success will come very fast. That's all. Thank you.
Well, good morning, everyone.
Good morning to you.
Thank you so much for giving me a golden chance to say something about this topic. And today's topic is good habits for success. We can say good habit the base of success, because we know that when we addicted the bad habits, then bad habits are destroying us. Similarly, when we make good habits, then of course good habits get success. There are many things. There are many good habits for success, like time management, consistency, punctuality, honesty, listening carefully, learning, and many other things. When and consistency is the consistency is the best thing for the success, because when we get anything, then we should consistency, because like I want to speak English, but I will come one day to coaching, and after 10 days we can't come. Then how can I speak English? And punctuality. When we go anywhere on punctuality, then it is the best thing for success, because when we reach anywhere before time, then we get extra time, and if we prepare for anything, then we can time to prepare. And learning for goals, because when we set goal and if we can't learn anything, then we can't get goal, because for success we set goal and ex- and experiment for goals. When we experiment for goal, then we get new thing, then how to reach our goal fast, and how will we start, and if we give up, then we think that there that place I started, and we should go the environment and reading books for success people, and we see the simple life, and high thinking is the sign of success, because we can see in the world every success person has simple life and high thinking. That's all. Thank you.
Well, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Hi, this is Gurucharan. I am thankful to give me opportunity to say something about this topic. Today's topic is a good habit for success. We all know that we are passenger of success. If we so we must adopt good habits for success. If we don't adopt good habits, then we don't get success. Yes. So we must be include good habits in daily life. According to me, there are many good habits for success. First, to walk early in the morning. Every successful people get up early in the morning. They want to start their day in quietly environment, so they could be energetic all day. Second, to make set goals. According to me, who make their goals and they write their goals, they will get success. If you not written their goals, then you will not get success. According to Harvard University, who did not write their goals, they will not get success. Consistency. If you are not continuing for your success, that's okay.